New, hey, welcome to my channel. My name's Joe Latender. Today I'm going to talk about something I ran into on a job. We needed to address this. If we didn't, there's a chance that the plank would fail. For sure, we would have a lot of noise when you're walking on that plank if we didn't take care of this. And nobody wants to put down a brand new vinyl plank floor and then all you hear is a bunch of crinkling, creaking, things like that, where it's just really noisy to walk on. So I'm going to show you what we're talking about, and at the towards the end of this video, I'm going to show you another option number 2 that you can use to avoid something like this. It's just a little bit more expensive. So here, let's watch. So I have some glue on the floor here that I need to deal with. Now this was once a dining room. It had a glue down carpet in here. I don't know why, but it did. And it's kind of tacky. It's thick. It's grippy. So I want to do something with this. And because I'm on a wood subfloor, I really can't scrape it off. It's a lot more difficult to do that on wood. Now if this is a concrete slab, I could use a razor scraper to take this up. I could also use a scarcifier head on a buffer, which is something you can rent from a rental store. And we could get this glue off fairly easy. It still might be tacky where you need to do a skim coat over that once it's done. But with a wood subfloor, it's much more difficult to do that. So the best solution for this is just do a skim coat, and that's what we're gonna do right now. Now I have a notched trowel here. I'm not going to use the notch side. I'm going to flip it and use the flat side. And I'm only showing you with this because some of you might have another trowel. You don't have to go and buy a special trowel for this. You can just use the flat side of any trowel no matter what it is. Okay, so there you go. Now that's skim coating. So you can use this in other areas other than just going over glue like this. This might be something that you need to do inside a kitchen where you have some vinyl with a deep pattern, where you need to get rid of all of those like fake grout joints and things like that. The pattern in the vinyl, also filling in grout joints on tile. So this is the same method that I use for skim coating over anything. So this is really a valuable thing for you to use on your floor. Now the second option is going with a pad, an additional pad, something that has a felt back on it like this. Okay, now this is made by Quiet Walk. This is actually their thicker stuff, the blue stuff. This is meant for laminate or wood. The stuff I'm talking about is called Quiet Walk LV. Also has this backing on it. Now the Quiet Walk LV can be used underneath any vinyl plank, whether you have an attached pad or not. And that fiber will stick to the glue, but it's not going to crinkle. It's not going to leave that noise. It also will cover those patterns in tile grout joints. So you can use that pad as a second option here. And just let's watch a little bit of a video. I'm going to share a little bit of a clip here on how to install this pad so you can see how I do that. So here, let's watch. Now I'm just going to take some clear packing tape and tape this. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope to see you on the next video. Hit that like button and that subscribe button and that notification bell if you want to be notified by other videos that I'm going to put on. I'm trying to put something out once a week and be really consistent now. I have lots of great content coming, even from that house I just shared with you. I just did a vinyl plank job there. Have another one coming. Actually, like 5 on the schedule to film here in the next 2 months. So I have tons of new stuff I want to share with you, and I have an exciting announcement coming up on a brand new tool that is going to help you with the layout process. It's the simplest way that I have ever came up with to lay out your floor so you can avoid those transitions, small pieces, get through those doorways easily. I'm excited to share that with you in a future video, so be checking that out. Hey, I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and God bless you all and your family. Again, my name is Joe Latender. I'll see you on the next video.